Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The Best Tanning AF is probably one of the most sought-after products for achieving that perfect sun-kissed glow without the harmful UV rays. And in today's video, we're diving deep into what makes this particular brand stand out from the crowd, exploring its unique formulations, ease of application, and the natural-looking results it delivers, all while ensuring you make an informed decision for your personal tanning journey. Number 5. B.TAN Ultra Long Lasting Self Tanner Kit. Achieve a beautiful, sun-kissed glow with our revolutionary Self Tanner Kit. It's designed for a long-lasting, natural-looking tan that you'll love. This bundle provides a rich, dark sunless tan that develops beautifully. Get that perfect bronzed look without any streaks or unevenness. Enjoy your gorgeous tan for up to 11 days. It's the perfect solution for a vacation or a special occasion, offering incredible longevity. Need a tan in a hurry? Our Express Foam develops a beautiful color in just 1 hour. It's fast, effective, and delivers a stunning bronzed glow. Say goodbye to the unpleasant smell of traditional self-tanners. This formula is designed to leave you with a fresh scent and a natural-looking tan. Achieving a flawless tan is simple with the included mitt applicator. It ensures an even application for a smooth, streak-free finish every time. What we like? This kit offers an ultra-long-lasting tan that can stay for up to 11 days. It also features a 1-hour Express Foam for a quick bronzing glow. If you're looking for a tan that lasts and you want to avoid the typical fake tan smell, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? No orange Oompa Loompa color. Very light scent. Little to no color transfer to other fabric. Number 4. B.TAN Self Tanning Mitt. Say goodbye to tanned palms and messy application. This mitt ensures your hands stay clean while you achieve a flawless glow. Get ready for an even, natural-looking tan every time. Its design guarantees a smooth, streak-free finish on your face and body. Experience the luxurious feel of our velvety soft applicator. It's designed for repeated use, making it a sustainable choice for your tanning routine. Whether you prefer foam, mousse, gradual lotion, or tanning drops, this applicator works perfectly. It's your all-in-one solution for effortless application. Featuring a thumb design for enhanced control, this glove ensures a comfortable and precise application. Achieve salon-quality results at home. What we like? This mitt ensures a completely streak-free application, keeping your hands perfectly clean. It's velvety soft, reusable, and great for all types of tanners. If you hate getting tanner on your hands and want a flawless finish every time, this applicator is a must-have. What people say? Designed with a thumb for easy maneuverability and a velvety soft texture, this self-tanning applicator glove ensures a smooth and flawless application every time. The B.TAN Body Self-Tanning Mitt features a velvety soft texture that glides effortlessly over the skin, ensuring a seamless application. The mitt is reusable and washable, allowing you to use it multiple times without compromising its effectiveness. One of the standout qualities of this tanning mitt is its ability to deliver a streak-free and even application. The specialized design ensures that the self-tanning product is evenly distributed onto the skin, preventing any patchiness or unevenness. Number 3. B.TAN Insanely Dark Clear Self-Tan Gel. Introducing our Insanely Dark Clear Self-Tan Gel. Achieve a deep, natural-looking tan that lets you glow your own way. This is next-level sunless tanning. Experience an ultra-quick bronze that develops beautifully without any fake tanner smell. Our best formula yet is completely transfer-resistant. Enjoy a flawless tan without worrying about it getting on your clothes or sheets. Get an insanely dark and rich color with this clear gel. It's designed to give you the deepest tan possible. Application is a breeze with its lightweight, clear gel texture. It absorbs quickly for a smooth, streak-free finish. Enjoy a long-lasting, beautiful bronze that feels as good as it looks. This is your secret to a perfect, natural-looking tan. What we like? Experience a next-level sunless tan with this clear gel that dries quickly and is transfer-resistant. It provides an ultra-quick bronze without the fake tan smell. If you prefer a clear formula that won't stain your clothes or sheets and want a fast, natural-looking tan, this is the one for you. What people say? This tanning AF is amazing, it works so well and I love the design. The features of this tanning AF are incredible, It has made my life so much easier. I am so happy with my purchase of this tanning AF. It is exactly what I was looking for. Number 2. B.TAN Best Tanning Oil Get Tanned Intensifier Dry Spray. Unlock a faster, darker tan with our revolutionary tanning oil. It's designed to intensify your natural color for a beautiful glow. Experience rapid tanning results perfect for outdoor sun exposure. This formula helps you achieve that deep, dark color you desire. Our unique blend of tan accelerating actives works to boost your tanning process. Get ready for a more intense and quicker tan. While it works to darken your skin, it also nourishes. Packed with moisturizing oils, it leaves your skin feeling soft and hydrated. From a trusted Australian brand, this 8 fluid ounces bottle has everything you need. Enjoy a premium tanning experience. This product contains no SPF, allowing for maximum sun tanning. It's formulated for those who want to achieve the darkest possible tan. What we like. This dry spray is designed for outdoor tanning, accelerating your natural tan with its active ingredients. It's packed with moisturizing oils to keep your skin hydrated. If you love achieving a dark, outdoor sun tan and want to speed up the process while nourishing your skin, this is your ideal companion. What people say. Great tan lotion providing the minimal coverage and offering the darker tan results. Goes on clean, not oily. Like the spray bottle versus the hand lather method. Works great. Produces a rich dark color. My absolute number 1 for tanning. Not sticky, simple, smells good, very effective. Number 1. B.TAN SPF 7 Tanning Oil. Get ready to embrace the sun with our revolutionary tanning oil. It's designed to give you a deep, natural-looking tan while keeping your skin hydrated. Achieve that perfect bronzed glow effortlessly. This dry spray formula absorbs quickly, leaving no sticky residue behind. Infused with moisturizing goji berry, pomegranate, and acai, it nourishes your skin as it tans. Enjoy a healthy glow from nature's best ingredients. Experience the quality of an authentic Australian brand. We've perfected the art of tanning for a sun-kissed look you'll love. Whether you're at the beach or in your backyard, this tanning oil is your secret weapon. Get ready to shine with a beautiful, deep tan. What we like. Achieve a deep suntan outdoors with this moisturizing body mist that offers SPF 7 protection. It's infused with beneficial extracts like goji berry and acai. If you're heading outdoors and want a gradual tan with added sun protection and skin-loving ingredients, this is a great option to consider. What people say. Great tan lotion providing the minimal coverage and offering the darker tan results. Goes on clean, not oily. Like the spray bottle versus the hand lather method. Works great. Produces a rich dark color. My absolute number 1 for tanning. Not sticky, simple, smells good, very effective. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.